Hello students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be fine staying home and doing your study at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today we are going to discuss the summary of Rat Trap chapter of book Flamingo. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. The rat trap. Rat trap means the trap in which rats are caught. Firstly, we will do introduction. This story is about an old, disheartened paddler. Paddler means a person who moves around here and there aimlessly, who is taken in and shown generosity. Generosity means kindness by a young woman. Her generosity and kindness change his bitter attitude towards life. It means the generosity or kindness shown by the woman change peddler's attitude towards life. The peddler is a man who has fallen upon misfortune and now resorts to selling rat traps, begging and theft. It means due to some misfortune he became so poor that his only business was of selling rat traps. For these rat traps he used to do begging or theft. He is very pessimistic. It means he doesn't think in a good way about the world around him and sees the world as merely a rat trap. It means he made his own summary that whole world is a rat trap. He believes that society tempts us. Tempts mean attracts us with its riches and fine things, and when we accept, we are caught in the trap and are left with nothing. The story conveys a universal message that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through love, respect, kindness, and understanding. It means with these four weapons of love, respect, kindness, and understanding, we could change any person from the wrong path to the right path. It highlights the human predicament, habits, material benefits are the traps that most human beings are prone to fall into. Human beings do have a tendency to redeem themselves from dishonest ways, as does the paddler at the end of the story. It means it is necessary to give them the love and kindness so that they could change their path from dishonest ways. Look the characters of our summary. First one is the most important character, a paddler with rat traps. An old man is a crofter, master smith in the Ramsjo iron mill, it is in Sweden. Helpers in the mill, blacksmiths, iron mill owner, whom we could call in the chapter iron master. Adla will mention daughter of the iron mill owner. So let's start with the summary. A rat trap peddler went around selling small rat traps. His clothes were in rags, it means bad condition. His cheeks were hollow. He had look of a starved man. Starved means hungry. He made wire traps. He begged the material from stores and big farms. Sometimes he resorted to begging and a little stealing to survive also. The world had never been kind to him, so he had no home, no shelter. The peddler led a lonely life. One day, while he was thinking about his rat traps, an idea struck him. He thought that the world itself was a rat trap. As soon as anybody touched it, the trap closed on them. He was amused to think of some people who were already trapped and some others who were trying to reach the bait in the trap. It was a cold evening in December. Firstly, I want to tell you students that what does the meaning of trap, that the people who are doing the job for the riches or for comfortable life, they have to do the same work for several of time. So these riches and world things are their bait. He reached a cottage on the roadside. It is the evening of a December and the peddler reached a cottage on the roadside. He knocked at the door and asked for a night shelter because he had no home or shelter. The owner of the cottage was a lonely old crofter. He wanted someone to talk to. He welcomed the peddler. He gave the peddler hot porridge to eat and tobacco to smoke. Then they played cards. The crofter was so generous as well as trustful. He told the peddler that he had a cow and sold her milk to a creamery. He also told him that he received 30 kroners as payment with the previous month. Then he took down a pouch and showed him the money. Then he put the money back in the pouch and hung it on a nail in the window frame. Next morning, the peddler left. The crofter locked his cottage and went away. The peddler came back to the cottage. He had been tempted, attracted to steal the money that hung like a bait in the window frame. He smashed the pane and stole the money. Now he thought it was not safe to walk along the public highway. So he went into the forest. There he walked and walked but couldn't get out. He moved in circles. He was tired. He looked upon the forest as a rat trap in which he was now caught. He thought his end was near and he lay down to die. But after a while he heard regular thumping of a hammer strokes. It means continuously hammer is stroking on an iron. He knew the sound was coming from Ramsajo Ironworks. He stood up and walked in the direction of the sound. He opened the gate of the ironworks and went into the fog. The owner came on his nightly rounds and noticed the ragged wretch near the furnace. The ironmaster looked intentionally at the peddler's face. That ironmaster is the owner of the iron mill. He felt sure that the peddler was one of his old regimental comrades, Captain von Stable, who had fallen on evil days. He invited the peddler to go home with him for Christmas, but the peddler was alarmed. He thought it was risky for him to accept the offer. He firmly declined it. The ironmaster now went home, and the ironmaster sent his daughter Adla Wilmanson to pursue the peddler to come home. She spoke gently to him. The peddler felt confidence in her and agreed to go with her. On the way, he was sorry to have stolen the crofter's money that had put him in a trap. The ironmaster was happy to have his old regimental comrade under his roof, at means at his home. He planned to feed him well and give him some respectable work. The servant cut the peddler's hair, shaved him, and bathed him. The peddler appeared wearing one of the ironmaster's fine suits. But when the ironmaster looked at him in the daylight, he felt that he had made a mistake. The peddler was not Captain von Stable. So students, we will continue it in the next video.